Hi everybody, Lorraine here. I have a 12 by 16 inch canvas and I'm going to do a cloud pour, but I'm going to put some of the Deco Art Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold and amethyst in. See what happens. So what I've picked is some violet, a magenta, and an emerald green. And then in here I have my 24 karat gold extreme sheen mixed with Floetrol. And then I have my amethyst mixed with Floetrol. Those are 50-50. And then this is the Deco Art Americana Satin Enamel. It's just satin enamel, about 50% Floetrol, and I put just a touch of water in there to thin it. Okay, so what do I want to come out on top? I don't know if I want, let's go with the magenta. And put all of that in there. And then I'm going to put, I want to kind of do this down the side, some of the amethyst. Some of the 24 karat gold next to it. I don't have a lot of this mixed up. It's just what's left over. I go in with my violet. A little bit more of the gold. Go finish this off. So like I said, there wasn't a lot left, maybe an ounce of that left in there. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with my emerald green. A little bit more of this amethyst. And now put a bit of that in. Okay. I'm going to use up what's left of this on the corners, just in case I can't get quite to the corner. Wasn't much of that left in there. Tiny bit of the magenta left. Put that on the top corners. Okay. Just gonna do kind of a straight pour. I'm really curious what these paints are going to do together with the extreme sheen and then the satin enamel. I'm hoping I get some cloudy shimmers. Some kind of iridescent clouds would be really cool. Now I already see the clouds coming up. That's pretty cool. The way the green is mixing. I like it, I like it, I like it. Take a look at that. If I could just leave it like that, that would be the coolest. But it would not work. So, try and roll it around. See how much of that design I get to keep. Just gonna move it real slowly towards that corner. I did grab a piece of cardboard here so that I could catch the corner. Slowly get it back to the center there. Went a little past center. I can get it down to this corner without losing too much. Off the side. Here we go. I see some of the amethyst coming up. That's pretty neat. Getting some really cool iridescent. I'm going to have quite a stretch to get it down to this last corner. Let's set it down a second. Try and recenter this a little bit. And then we'll bring it down to this corner. Okay, now that I have it all covered, it Let's look at it a moment. And see what I want to do with the center. I really like this over here. Kind of like the whole thing. That corner isn't so great. So let's see. Oh, let's not drop it. Let's see if I can get it to move in that direction a little bit. Get rid of some of the white. Bring that to center down a little bit. Okay. Boy, I'm really liking that. There's some gorgeous lines in here. All of the gold is gone. I don't see any of that. Maybe there wasn't enough of it to come up to the surface. It's a tiny, tiny speck of it right there. Don't know if you can see that or not. But all that gorgeous marbling up in through here. These tiny little cells. Some really cool looking cells right here. Get all the colors in it. Some more gorgeous cloudy look. It's beautiful. I love the center. Thanks for sticking with me today, guys. Appreciate you watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Doesn't cost you a thing, but it does help me out quite a bit when you subscribe to my channel. So, thank you again. Bye.